Hello everyone, it's me from Amharic Language Academy and I'm back with a new video and we're gonna continue with our conversation class. And last time, if we remember, we learned about Amharic pronouns like the first person, so we say any for I, and we said also enya for we, and for the second person we also said anta for you male, anchi for you female, nanta for plural you, and so we used also erso for the fourth you. We also discussed the third person esu for male, it means he, eswa she, nesu they, and we also say the sacho. And we also did exercises based on Amharic pronouns, and we see some of the examples here. So that was the lesson of the last video. Today we already discussed about pronouns, and we're gonna add verb to be associated with them. So it is like the same way we use in English. They have the pronouns and also the verb to be. Before we start this lesson, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also there you can see some of the videos I made on the channel, so you can see and watch from the beginning, and you can also see and watch some of the Amharic alphabets there. So let's start. Any, it means I am in English, and in Amharic any neng, any plus neng means I am, neng means I am, any I neng am, any neng. Enya nen for first person, we are, enya nen, nen means are. And for second person, anta ne, you are. It is for male, by the way. Anta ne, you are. Anchi nesh, you are. For female, we are stating that anchi means you for female, so we can say anchi nesh, you are. And nante nachu, you are for a plural. Nante means you for plural, for a group of people. We're stating that. Erso not means for respected person who is older than 60. We could say you are. Erso not, you are. So for a third person, esu no, esu means he or it. Esu no, he is or it is means esu no. Eswa not, she is. Eswa means she, not. Okay, and nasu nacho, they are. Nasu means they. Nasu nacho. Esacho nacho, this is most rarely used pronoun for person who is older than 60. Sacho nacho, he or she is. So we're gonna do some exercises. Amharic pronouns plus verb to be. Fill in the blank space. Anchi tamari blank. It means you are a student. We want to say you are a student. So how do we fill the pronoun? So anchi, it means you for female. Tamari blank. So we say that for anchi nesh, you are nesh. So nesh will be the answer. And also for the second one, any Bekele blank. I am Bekele. I want to say I am Bekele. Any means I. Bekele means a person name. And what will be the answer? Try it please before revealing the answer. Okay, I'm gonna reveal the answer. Yeah. So Anchi Tamari Nesh. Anchi Tamari Nesh. You are a student. Anchi takes Nesh. And we say that any takes neng. Any plus neng. Any Bekele neng. Yeah, I think it is clear. We also do another exercise. What can you say? What can you say for robber? You can say robber. Robber means in Amharic leva. And there is also hero, jegna. and hero means in Amharic jagna, third person. So we're gonna do a clause, pronoun plus verb to be. So we're gonna do a clause by using these two things. Here are the answers. Here's an example. You are a robber. It means anta, you. As a second person, we're doing this exercise. Anta, you, and we're gonna insert the object robber, leva. Anta, leva, na. Na is a verb to be form of anta. Anta takes na. You are robber. Anta, leva, na. For a hero means, as I said earlier, jagna. So you can see the person is, the man is older than 60. So we use, as a third person, we don't use asu, we use asacho. So asacho, jagna, and can you remember that the verb to be we used for asacho? Nacho, yeah? Sacho, jagna, nacho. It means he is a hero. He is a hero. As a third person, we use he. So yeah. Can you try this one? This one is as a third person. Five means in Amharic amist. So using the word five and the pronoun and the verb to be between and after in the ends of the object, and insert the five here, amist. So do a sentence. Okay, you can also use this. There's also another exercise. Artist in Amharic means artist. So, and we use also here as a third person. So this is the answer. For the children, we can say they are five as a third person. Nasu. They means nasu. Nasu, amist, nacho. Nasu takes nacho. If you remember, go back to the previous minute. You can say nasu takes the verb to be nacho. So we're gonna insert the object between the pronoun and the verb to be, and nasu, amist, nacho. They are five. Yeah. And for this one, she's an artist. Yeah, as a third person, she is an artist. So how can you say in Amharic? She means swa. Swa takes the verb to be not. So we're gonna insert the word object between the two. Swa, artist, not. Easy, yeah? It is easy. Now you are the one who's gonna solve this exercise. Yeah. What will be? It will be your homework and do it by yourself. This is Ethiopians, so the object is Ethiopians, and you do insert between the pronoun and the verb to be, and we are ordered to use a pronoun as a first person. So as a first person, there are only I and we. So based on the picture, you're gonna choose the appropriate pronoun and also the appropriate verb to be, and insert the object Ethiopians between the two, and you will make a sentence with that. And also you use there is also another exercise, police, and police in Amharic is police, and you can insert the object between the pronoun and the verb to be, and we are ordered to do the exercise as a third person. So as third person, there are four pronouns: asu, aswa, sacho, nasu. So we're gonna choose the appropriate pronoun for this man and do a sentence. Can you try this one? Yeah, I think it is easy. This is the answer. Yeah. And thank you for having me, and I think it is easier exercise we have had today. And after seeing this video, I think we are able to form pronoun plus verb to be sentence and inserting the object between the two, and you are able to form a sentence. That is an easy exercise of conversation. And if this video is interesting to you, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.